This year marks the 20th anniversary of a truly horrific event. An event that has been made infamous. 9/11.
9/11 was a series of terrorist attacks on September 11, 2001. It consisted of hijackers from a terrorist organization based in the Middle East called Al-Qaeda hijacking third planes.
The first two planes ended up in the North and South World Trade Center towers, while the third ended up in the Pentagon, the headquarters of the U.S. military. The fourth plane was heading for Washington, D.C., either for the Capitol building or the White House, but was re-hijacked by the passengers and crash-landed in Shanksville, Pennsylvania.
The planes that hit the Twin Towers caused them to collapse and fall to the ground about an hour after the impact. In total, 2,996 people died, and more died from cancer and health conditions related to being near or in the event of inhaling jet fuel.
The effects of 9/11 include the establishment of the Department of Homeland Security, higher unity, and heightened airport security. It also led to President Bush's war on terrorism and the war in Afghanistan. At 8:20, an accidental transmission is received from Flight 11, confirming suspicions that the flight had been hijacked. At 8:49, the first report of an incident at WTC crosses the AP Newswire. Moments later, numerous cable network news outlets cut away from programming to cover the story. At 8:46, the Flight 11 crashes into the north face of the North Tower. 9:03, Flight 175 crashes into the south face of the South Tower. 9:05, President Bush is about to begin reading The Pet Goat to students when Chief of Staff Andrew Card interrupts with news of the second plane impact. 9:21, all bridges and tunnels into Manhattan are closed. 9:37, Flight 77 crashes into the western side of the Pentagon. 9:45, U.S. airspace is shut down. All operating aircraft are ordered to land at the nearest airport. 10:03, Flight 93 crashes in a field in Somerset County, Pennsylvania after fighting between hijackers and passengers. 10:28, the North Tower of the World Trade Center collapses. 10:50, a portion of the Pentagon collapses due to fire. 10:53, Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld orders the U.S. military placed at DEFCON 3. 12:15, the airspace over the contiguous United States is cleared of all commercial and private flights. Peace is the lack of war and having prosperity.
When 9/11 hit, hundreds of people sacrificed their time and effort to help the victims.
There was greater unity, and I think that is the true essence of peace, having amazing unity.
9/11 did unite us, but it is still a terrible event of loss and suffering.
I agree with you. It was truly a big event to happen near the beginning of the 21st century.